Welcome to 6525 North Albina. This is a 2-bedroom apartment in this 10-plex, located very close to the park there. Peninsula Park, very popular, on the corner of Rosa Parks and Albina. Very good area, close to a lot of things. And this is a ground level unit. And you enter right here, and that's the mailbox. So you enter into a carpeted living room, baseboard heating on 2 sides. You have a sliding glass door that goes out into I wouldn't call it a backyard, but it's a back area. You could put up some temporary fencing at that end and some temporary fencing here between these 2 doors, and you'd have an enclosed, small enclosed yard. You could add bark dust, plants, just decorate it however you'd like. Back inside, we have the kitchen, dishwasher, white cabinets all around. You have an electric range, lots of drawers, lots of cabinets. You have a refrigerator. It's all clean and move-in ready. So this is your dining area. Put your little kitchen table here. And this is your view of the kitchen from the dining table. You have a wall heater down there. Everything is freshly painted. And let's go check out the 2 bedrooms. So here we have, the bedrooms also have their own wall heaters. Closet with shelf and pole. Window overlooking the fenced yard. Paint looks really good. No marks anywhere. In here, this would be the master. This bedroom's slightly larger. Also has the heater there. And as you can see, this one has double closets. Definitely the master. And again, the paint looks really good in here. Okay. In here we have the bathroom. You have these beautiful tile floors. Dual light fixtures. And these are kind of cool for putting your stuff in there. One on each side. Sink. Lots of drawers for your stuff. Towel bars, 1, 2, 3, and a towel hook and another hook. And then here's your tub shower. Shower head. And the toilet kind of hidden away for privacy. You have a heat lamp up there so you can stay warm when you get out of the bathtub. And that's it. Let's see, the front window has a view of Albina out there in the parking lot. You get 1 parking space per unit off street. And then there's the hall closet. So if you like what you see and you would like to take an in-person tour, just go to greenkeyspdx.com and we will set up a tour so you can see it in person. We'll also get the key to the laundry room so you can see what that looks like. All right, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.